sana.
Sedia untuk sembunyikan dadu. Jadi the first round, pusingan yang pertama untuk jodi mekanik. And now show visit. Visit. That was a good eyesight, right? Mata yang tajam. Tapi tadi macam pelan. Kita akan tambah laju lagi sebabkan rasa pelan sangat. Okay, sekarang the first round was too easy. For the second round, make it faster than before. Saya belum tengok the nafas. Mana lah dadu. Okay, jadi okay, now one more number 2 Jodi. Okay, the fact about mata eyesight dan human being. Jadi mata burung kakak tu 7 kali ganda tajam daripada mata manusia. And for the up next, we have our number 2. We invite Glenn Julie for the next performance. For Julie performance, we want to test Julie memory. Can Julie put it back our color wooden block followed by the shape and the color? Jadi sedia kita letak ikut warna dan juga